Hello again. This video will give my personal pointers as to where sound effects should be cut for maximum funniness in videos. As with the other video in this series, I will play a sound effect in its entirety, and then provide my opinion where the sound effect should be cut off. Let's get started. This sound effect is quite drawn out on its own, and while it is funny if paired with the right visual, it is important to slim it down. I personally believe that the best way to cut this sound is a little after the third loud pound, as that acts as an ending point.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
This sound effect is cut so often that some people don't realize it extends this long. Still, the best spot to cut it is where it is often cut off, after the
You're not really fine.
part. It gets the point across, while fitting a slim timing print.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Yes, I know this isn't technically a sound effect, but many treat this short song as one anyway. When cutting this song, I typically like to cut it after the first time the music repeats, as this keeps it short and concise. It's hard to explain, just listen. Thank you for watching. This is quite a bit different from my usual videos. Comment whether I should make more of this style of video, and if you haven't yet, go watch the first How I Cut Sound Effects, link below. I hope you enjoyed